guys, it's me and Tessa, and we're going to be showing you how to make some slime. I'm making one right now.
I got this turquoise color I'm about to make. We will give you an example of the slime we made. So we got this orange Play-Doh right here, but we took some of the slime from in here, which we put the extra that we can't, like, it's too much, but this is the example of it. It's really stretchy and really good. Feels like butter slime, but you kind of need to add some like what's it called again? Lotion to it, so it can like stretch really good.
You can use clay or Play-Doh.
Yeah, anything like clay or Play-Doh.
We use Play-Doh because that's all we have.
Yeah.
And yeah,
we don't really care about our Play-Doh anymore.
If you want to see me play some Fortnite, just comment down below.
Yeah, we put it under that. So
yeah. And this weekend I'll be playing it. And then I'll be playing this game called Prodigy, so yeah. But I'm not going to record that.
So you start out, you put the slime, like we already have some made slime in here, so we just put the Play-Doh in the slime, mix it up, and then like when it like starts like shedding Play-Doh out, it will like be good, like your slime is amazing. You have to keep kneading the slime. It takes like a few minutes, like I think like 15 minutes.
And this slime you don't have to put in a fridge.
This slime, well, I seen the slime videos on YouTube that you had to put them in a fridge, but that didn't work for me. I think someone actually just took a different slime.
So, yeah, don't do those videos.
Yeah, do not.
But this is real. You try it. It
works. It works amazingly.
We don't do clickbaits.
Yeah, we do not do clickbaits. No clickbaits at all. And now my hands are a Smurf color.
We do everything real in this YouTube video.
Yeah.
And no, this YouTube channel.
And then if you use all your Play-Doh, you could just put the slime in the Play-Doh container. It's like useful because we don't really have containers because all our slimes are in that. Like our other stuff is in it. So yeah. This is my slime. To turn out to be.
We're moving in a few weeks, so we'll show you our new house.
In a few weeks? No.
Next week, yeah, definitely next week.
We're gonna be moving,
and
we'll show you the tour of our new house, and we're probably gonna make a place down in the kitchen.
Yeah, we'll be in the kitchen.
Yeah, to make slime, like usually make slime. So, if I get allowance,
Tessa we'll be showing our cousin some videos when she comes over.
Yeah, cousin Jaylene.
Because we're gonna be living by her.
Yeah, and we'll always get to visit her. Huh, my slime's actually turning purple.
And mine is supposed to be white, but now it's pink.
Yeah, bubblegum pink. It looks like bubblegum.
Yeah.
So my hands are like this because the slime. So you want to keep it like going and going, and you want to scoop out Play-Doh. If you still have Play-Doh in there, you want to keep on scooping it out and keep kneading the slime. And then if you want to, you can add some more of the slime you already made.
And now I'm adding some white to make it a little brighter.
I think this one's going to actually be pretty because it's probably going to just have some purple, a little bit purple in it.
But I swear, we don't do clickbaits.
Yeah, we don't do clickbaits. No clickbaits. I'm sorry. We have no clickbaits. Oh yeah, if you want to go, check out our other videos.
Yeah, definitely does.
But don't. There's no clickbaits, so do not go in the description and look if there's a clickbait.
Well, you can't do that, Tess.
I'm just playing. But there's no like.
We don't do
There's
clickbait.
no link. There's also no links. No links in the description. but you have to keep kneading it, like the slime. Well, mine is actually turning out really pretty.
And then I made a pink one. So it's supposed to be white.
I know. Oh, so much for white Play-Doh and pink slime. Well, it's pink slime, so it will like turn into pink, like to turn the Play-Doh into stain the Play-Doh into pink. But the Play-Doh staining the slime.
Huh?
We have 3 subscribers.
Oh yeah, one random dude subscribed me. Okay, Tess, can I use all your white? Okay. I'm gonna try
Oh yeah, go check out my friend's channel. It's called Vampire Penguin. She did not make any videos, so
She didn't?
Nope.
Then why would you watch it?
no, like just go to subscribe because I guess everybody's subscribing to it. Something she said about like something she wrote. She's like, I don't know what to do in my life. I don't know. It's still pink.
See all that whiteness.
And if you have any glitter, you can also put glitter in the slime. Or glitter Play-Doh, if you ever have those. You can also put it in the slime. Uh-huh.
When we get
My
glitter-
slime's already done. See? It's actually pretty nice. It actually stayed blue. That's pretty nice.
So when we get glitter, we'll do glitter in our slime.
Yeah, put
We
glitter.
have 3 views of me and my brother. Candyland one.
Yeah, it smells like Play-Doh.
We got 3 views?
Yeah.
How many likes? Okay,
We
I'll
have 3 subscribers. We
So,
got 3 subscribers.
Look.
I just added a like to it.
So you could also like do a thing with your slime. It's like a little trick. You could, if you want to see if your slime sticks on everything, just put it on your hand and
Yeah.
like let it droop down.
If
But
you-
if it does not stick, that means you're good. Or if it sticks kind of, and
Press
it
the
just
like.
and it has no thing on it, that means
press
you're
the
also
like button,
good. And subscribe to our channel.
subscribe, and put notifications.
Yes. I accidentally slapped you. Slap. No. I don't care.
So when we
Got
first
the
started,
mask.
I'm like, we're making slime already. And I'm like, Tessa, let's make a YouTube video of it makes slime. And she's like, okay.
Yeah. Some
And then
people are
we-
weird because they put makeup in their slime. Like they make like makeup slime. It's kind of weird. Kind of wasted makeup. We just bought freshly. It's really different. Like this slime actually feels like a butter slime a lot and cloud slime together. It's just like, oh my god, it's so wonderful.
go subscribe to Tessa Brooks.
Yeah. I don't know what you're doing. And go subscribe to Lauren's side and Jesse V. They're Lauren's side plays The Sims, which I love The Sims, and Jesse V tells about
Guys,
stories
where's the
in their
phone
house.
charger?
Go check them out.
Guys, where's the phone charger?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Alex, you need to build this. Feel that. You like that blue color?
Yeah.
Like a So we're probably gonna add some lotion in the slime because it's like breaking. So,
Well, we don't have lotion.
I actually do. It's in my makeup bag behind here. Oh my god.
Oh! Okay, I got the lotion.
Oh my god, we just ended the video again.
We
And
did?
it's fine. It's saved. It's saved. The video is saved.
Oh no, Tess, it didn't end. Okay, we're back. Someone's.
Yeah.